Cern is an European organization for nuclear research. I work in the Open Lab context. We provide WebLogic infrastructure to host Java critical application for Cern. We were spending a lot of time basically maintenance tasks, so at some point we decided to find a new technology or something that was helping us to less focus on the maintenance and focus more on the developers needed. I started to work with Kubernetes and to migrate the WebLogic infrastructure to Kubernetes and Docker containers. We were able to deploy the same WebLogic cluster in 2 minutes. Before it was taking us at least half a day. Thanks to this new tool that is WebLogic deploying tooling, we are basically able just to write a simple config file, run the script, and we have a new domain in few seconds. This is amazing because before was not the case. Thanks to Kubernetes and some advantages that Kubernetes brings, like the fact that our WebLogic deployment is more portable. Now we are basically investigating how OCI could help us to migrate automatically our service from on-premise to cloud in case of disaster. I noticed that my advice, my suggestion were listened from the product manager of WebLogic on Kubernetes. That is basically this relationship between Cern and Oracle, where we are not anymore customer, but we are partner.